Welcome to PFTV. Ngiphethe Roy Mahamutsa. Roy, long time no see. Uyibone kanjani namhlanje?
Khotmani ngizoqala ngokuthi laba babadawutha ucoach wethu lo wePirates uAP. I hope sawabona ama umsebenzi wakhe ukuthi unjani. Coming to the game na Khotmani yami, it was a good game for us today. If you can see the aggregate is 7-0. So mina I thought today's score bekuzoba i3-0 but na amajita ngisurprisele wafaka i4 goals and credit to Mbuthuma le press la ikorile today. I think izomboost very confidence going forward.
And then we saw Umremi as well coming in with the praise. Thoughts on the performance ka Umremi?
Abona abafana laba bePirates bayababa njengopelepele. Lo mfana lo Umremi namhlanje I think uye bokufanele abe man of the match. Even though ngayibona man of the match kuthi ubani, but for me I think we deserve a man of the match namhlanje. And I think the likes of Mfukeng abona emthajela nalabo abanye abangangena I nabo ufuneke baphakamisa ngoba bayabona vele iskimi manje si tight
ne. And then we saw Undaba coming in for uDN Hoto. Thoughts on the performance kaNdaba?
I think lapha for before ngicala ngeperformance akaNdaba, I think lapha ku left back si secured na ku right back si secured. Mina bengifuna vele lo mfana lo uthi bamgaye I chance vele uNdaba njoba bengimbona bakadlala ku Richards Bay bakadlala vele kamnandi. So uthe vele maka ucoach namhlanje ngibona iline up aqala ngayo ngivele ngathi at least athi simbo ukuthi umfana vele usiphetheleni. Umfana usiprovile na usiprovile and uprovile kuma fans ukuthi bafethu mina ngayidinga vele chance and chance njoba ayitholile namhlanje uyisebenzisile. I think inayo Hoto njoba la khona I'm sure nayo uyabona ukuthi hayi une competition akufanele anga relax kakhulu but for I performance akantwana I really played well for me today uNdaba.
No, thanks Taroy. Bopha.